For human rights.
And you're one of the plaintiffs in the case.
Yeah, we're the main plaintiff.
You're the main plaintiff. So one of the things that the state says is that the plaintiffs lack standing in the case, meaning that you don't have sort of anything worth to lose in this case. Do you think that's accurate?
In what sense? That we don't have to lose what? Like what? We have a lot.
What do you have to lose? What would happen if this law goes into effect?
If this law doesn't go into effect, it's going to destroy families. It's going to break up marriages. It's going to send children that are U.S. citizens and send them to a country they've never seen in their lives. So maybe they are 13, 14, 15 years old. And what do we lose? We're part of that. I'm a Latino. I came here. I had the accidental luck of being documented. But that doesn't change anything. If the people live here, I live here. I'm not going to come here in a state that literally throws away a whole community because, like she says, they are all criminals. Well, they're not. They're not criminals, and we have to fight for that right.
How would it affect your organization in particular?
It would disappear.
Why?
Why? Because I would disappear. I would disappear, pack up, and go. If we cannot hold our people here, if we cannot keep them here, if we cannot achieve an immigration reform that legalizes them, because one of the not-truths, I don't want to say lies, but non-truths that the state used was this thing that, well, why don't they, when she started getting upset, why don't they legalize it? Why don't they become legal? Just because they're lazy, they don't want to fill out papers. That's so ridiculous that it shows the absolute ignorance that they have. And I think that's what the big difference that happened today was the great knowledge of the whole situation by our lawyers and the great ignorance by the state. They learned this, they learned the clauses, they learned the paragraphs, they learned the numbers, but they didn't learn what is happening out there in the street. And our lawyers do, because we took them, we showed them, we had long-term conversations with them, showing them that who these people are. They're not abstract numbers, they're human beings.
You're a social service organization.
Yeah.
So you serve the Latino community. So and what you're saying is many of the people involved in your organization would be targeted.
Yeah, they would be affected, absolutely. And we cannot reach them.
Okay. Great, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Take care.